Hello and welcome to this August 6, 2010 video version of Invested Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Boley, Invested Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you with today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by stochastic.com, simply the web's best financial charts. Today we're featuring Buckle Incorporated, ticker symbol BKE. This is a $1.2 billion consumer discretionary company. You can see by looking at the chart here that the stock since the end of April has really had a rough go. The stock was up near $40 a share in the third or fourth week of April, came all the way down, and on Thursday put in a low near $25. So a little more than 1/3 of the market cap of Buckle was lost just in the last 3 months, maybe 3.5 months. So clearly we've been in a very significant downtrend. Bears have been in complete control of this stock. But it's pretty interesting when you look at the last move to the downside here. First check out as we were going down and putting in each of these new lows. We continued to put in new lows on the MACD. But on the latest low on Thursday, we had a gap down, very heavy volume, and we actually reversed back up after the open, finishing not at the high of the day, but toward the high of the candlestick for the day. Putting in this red hollow candlestick. Many times this is a reversing type of a candle off of a downtrend. So it's going to be interesting to see how the stock reacts on Friday. Of course, we have the big jobs report, and that's going to play into how a lot of stocks perform. But if we ignore the economic news that's due out and just focus on this chart, it does look kind of interesting from a technical standpoint. Coming down, putting in this new low, putting in the red hollow candle. Notice how the lows are lower, but the MACD is higher. So finally we have a positive divergence in play, and the heavy volume on the reversal on Thursday also suggests that maybe this is it, at least in the near term, to the downside. One final point here, if you look at the oscillators, you'll see the RSI down at 30, stochastics below 20, so both of these oscillators also in an oversold territory and suggesting that we might see a nice reversal here in BKE. I hope you've enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our chart of the day every day at investedcentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the chart of the day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.